Welcome to Master the Art of Investing. Learn on the go with video tutorials. Are you ready to simplify your investment education and enhance your financial awareness? So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets to financial success. Are you tired of feeling like investing is an endless maze of jargon and complicated strategies? Do you wish you could learn at your own pace, wherever and whenever you want? Look no further. In just a few minutes a day, you can unlock the knowledge you need to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. How our video tutorials simplify investing. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Our video tutorials break down complex investment concepts into easy-to-understand bite-sized lessons. From understanding the basics of stocks and bonds to exploring advanced investment strategies, we cover it all. Our knowledgeable experts will guide you through each step, providing clear explanations and practical examples to ensure you grasp each concept, no matter your level of expertise. Learn on the go with our comprehensive videos. Gone are the days of being tied to a classroom or lengthy textbooks. With our video tutorials, you can learn on the go, at your own convenience. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a break, or simply lounging at home, our videos will be there to provide you with engaging and informative content. Simply grab your headphones and immerse yourself in the world of investing, gaining knowledge and confidence as you go. Empower yourself with knowledge. We believe that education is the key to success. By equipping yourself with the knowledge of investing, you gain the power to make well-informed decisions about your financial future. Our video tutorials not only teach you the ins and outs of investing but also provide you with the tools to evaluate opportunities, mitigate risks, and grow your wealth. Take control of your financial destiny and embark on a journey towards financial independence. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure towards mastering the art of investing. Remember, with our video tutorials, you can simplify your investment education, learn on the go, and pave your way to financial success. So, what are you waiting for? Start watching our videos today and empower yourself with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive in the world of investing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow investors. Until next time, happy investing.